We've entered into strategic partnerships with world-leading manufacturers to assure a consistent supply of the very best materials for our corrugated packaging, part of our commitment to total customer satisfaction. To provide the highest quality liners, we selected Visy Pulp and Paper after an intensive worldwide search. Visy's new facility in Tumut, New South Wales, Australia is the world's most modern virgin kraft linerboard paper mill. The paper from Visy's Tumut mill is made from over 90% virgin wood fiber, which produces higher density liner, offering greater strength, better printing, and superior performance. When it reaches full capacity in 2011, the site will produce over 900,000 tons annually, making it the 7th largest such mill in the world, delivering liners in weights ranging from 18 to 90 pounds. The mill was designed to use only fiber from plantation forests and wood residue such as pine bark and sawdust. Visy's paper-making process produces 85% of its own energy using wood waste to provide electricity, steam, and heat. And it uses only 1/4 the water of typical mills. And all discharged water goes to irrigation dams on Visy's acreage, used for raising cattle, forage, and other crops. Visy's dedication to the highest quality virgin liners and long-standing environmental leadership delivers Robert Mann Packaging an assured supply of sustainable, high-performance material.